Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. So today I have a real hot one for you. So whenever you get a laptop that come in with a swollen battery, you normally think, oh, this is age, it's something to do with the charging circuitry, heat buildup, something like that. But what you're probably not going to expect is that you're going to have a fairly new battery. That's going to be the issue. Now, I've removed the cover, but when this machine came in, the bottom was popping off all over the place. So as you can see right now, I'm trying to keep it down. It's just not staying down. And I just lift it off to give you a closer look at what's going on here. So, look at that. I've removed the screws already, but as you can see, this is all puffed up here, puffed up here. I'll just give you a closer look. This battery is about twice the normal size. This is not safe. So, even a closer look, I notice that the battery connectors is leading right over a screw hole that the back, when you're putting in the back cover, this, there's a screw going right down the middle, and it's obviously pierce this green wire, and it's caused some damage to the yellow wire, and now we have a really dangerous situation. Now I want to show you something further. If you look at the battery, this would have been a battery. This is a right replacement. Well, when I say right, I mean it's just like the one that was shipped with the machine. And I'm going to take this one out because it probably shouldn't even be connecting right now. Let's pop this out. I want to take this one out. You see how there's nothing to keep it together? This one is going to go near the screw, but you notice the big difference. There's a harness right here keeping everything nice and tight. And so let's put this one in. So this is a simple design flaw can actually cause you to lose your machine, lose your laptop, or even lose your life. So if you have a machine like this and you have probably replaced the battery, I would say take a look right now or have someone check it to see if anything is compromised with the cable. And if you're buying a battery, a replacement, and it's just like a free willy, cable is all over the place like this, it may be cheaper, but in the long run, it could be a lot more expensive. Be safe. Please remember to like, to share, and subscribe, and watch the next video. Thanks. Have a great day now. Bye.